We are also keeping our eye closely on the tropics. So this is a view of what our tropical overview. So what that means is it's areas or tropical waves that have a chance of strengthening. And so we have the one tropical wave right here into the Caribbean Sea. It has moved into the Caribbean Sea. We get a little bit of convection on the northern side of this, but not a lot right now. Right now, Saharan dust, all this brown stuff, that's Saharan dust. There's a pretty thick plume of Saharan dust that both of these tropical waves are going to be interacting with. This one not quite interacting with it yet, as you see the convection there outside of the dust, but it will be as it continues to make its path across the Atlantic basin. A 20% chance of development by the time this reaches the Bay of Campeche. It will be battling not only the Saharan dust, but also land impacts from friction or shear, essentially, from land within Central America, and then of course the Yucatan Peninsula. And so that's something that will be working against it. However, the warm Caribbean Sea is going to be fueling the chance of development there. So you see the wave, that's essentially an inverted trough. So that's a trough that goes up and over. That's a tropical wave. And so we see that continuing to move across the Caribbean Sea. We actually have a weak little tropical wave in the Bay of Campeche now that's moving into land here shortly, bringing us a little bit of a chance of a few showers as we head into Saturday. That tropical wave that has a chance of developing will be around the Yucatan Peninsula then, impacting anyone's plans there for Cancun, Cozumel, those locations. We'll see at least some heavy rainfall from this event, if not some higher wind gusts as well. This moves into the Bay of Campeche. We see a little bit of rain increasing across South Texas, but high pressure really holding on strong. That's going to work to limit rainfall because it creates sinking air. You only get rain really around the edge of that high pressure, and we will be on the edge just barely, but it does look to strengthen into Monday and Tuesday of next week, which will limit that rainfall. You see here where that high is strongest, no rain is expected over the next 7 days. South Texas, we have a slim chance, especially with some sea breeze and just a little bit of that tropical moisture trying to sneak in, but look at that, how quickly the rain increases the further south we go with that system making its way into the weekend. 5:52, 80 degrees right now. We are going to heat temperatures up this afternoon, 95 degrees for your high in Corpus Christi. Now there is a chance for a spotty shower, but any type of rainfall from that likely less than 1/10 of an inch. So barely any rain expected. Very isolated as well, mostly near the coast. As we see that tropical wave entering the Bay of Campeche, our rain chances do go up a bit on Sunday, but overall it's not much rain. Just a very widely scattered to isolated opportunity there. Sunday looks like our best chance of rain. And then we see sunshine really returning by Tuesday. Barbie.